What's up, guys? I got this Honda right here. My dad got a new car for work, and it's kind of beat. Maybe you guys can see it. It's real beat. But we're gonna clean it up real good. Probably get 5% all around, except for windshield. But tint it. Tint the windows. Rough it, detail it real good. The inside's real nasty. We need to clean the inside real good. And then that flew off. It's the wheel well thing that flew off. Probably gonna put it back on with some clips. But it's a pretty nice car. The runs pretty solid. It needs the spark plugs and a couple other little things, but it's alright. It runs. We're gonna wanna buff these out. I'm gonna tint the windows and probably do some other stuff. I'll probably record everything that we do to this car. Just I'm not like this. I got a little wheel to take this off, but I mean just with the finger it comes off. But it's pretty beat up a little bit, but we'll fix it up real good. I mean it's for work. He does construction, so I mean it's not like we need it super good, but we're gonna fix it up a little bit. At least make it more like, I don't know, more comfortable. Maybe put some LED headlights or something, I don't know. But it's a cool little car. Just wanted to show you guys on the channel, and stay tuned. We'll probably have some new videos on this car. And so yeah. What's up, guys? We're gonna go ahead and buff these headlights. Just tape down this, and I'm gonna start on the other one. It's kind of a shitty tape job, but it'll get it done just so I don't scuff up the paint. It's kind of old, but still. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape this one down, and then I'll tell you guys what to use and how. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with 800 grit, and then I'm gonna work my way up 800 all the way to 2500. So let me go ahead and just start going at it with the 800 on both, and then I'll let you know when we switch. Right now, and you just do a circular motion on the whole headlight. Because the machine is gonna go this way, so just do circular the opposite way, and we're after 2500 grit, we're gonna hit it with 3000. And hit it with 3000. So already starting to see the difference. And we haven't put the machine on it yet, so we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the machine real quick. So same thing on this headlight, we're gonna hit it with the 800, just straight. We're just gonna hit it, and then you don't go circular until you hit a 2500 grit, and then 3000 grit is when you're still circular. And so I'm gonna go ahead and blow this one down. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do this headlight. We already got that one knocked out. So we already got it all dispersed so it doesn't fly. So hey guys, that's the result. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it here, clay bar real quick, but clay bar the car. I'm doing the hood right now, so but yeah guys, so we got those done. I'm gonna go ahead and clay bar the car. So for the first day of having this car, it's pretty good. It's going pretty well. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and yeah. So yeah guys, I just clay barred the whole car, just the top, just to here down. I did the whole car. And here, up. yeah, guys, it's getting dark on us, guys. But we're gonna go ahead and wax it. We're gonna use one of these two. I don't know yet, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wax it. It's getting dark on us, but we need to go ahead and wax it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. And so yeah, guys. What's up, guys? I just want to film the outro right now. My phone's about to die, but thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, guys. We got lots of projects here at the house, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, though. And I'll probably put a couple videos on this car. I'm sorry I'm talking so fast, but my phone's probably gonna die like right now. But we just did they did some stuff. My dad and my uncle. And I don't really know what else it needs, but if there's anything else I can record from this car, I'll probably record it. I know that the Honda does need the spark plugs, so I'll be uploading a video on that. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys later, man.